Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Google Play Store is crashing, it has stopped, or it's just freezing up on your Android phone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another kind of phone, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button. And then you want to select the apps tile on this page, and then select where it says see all apps. And then you want to go down to the Google Play Store app in here, select that, and then select where it says storage and cache. Select the clear cache option first and then relaunch the app. If you're still having a problem, you can go ahead and clear the storage, which will clear the app's data, including files and settings. Select delete, close out of here, relaunch your Android phone, and then hopefully the issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.